And then we do these elevations just to be extra precise at exactly where we want to put our audio. You always want to keep your audio and your low voltage at least a foot away from each other to reduce any sort of interference that can happen. So unlike other electrical plans where it doesn't really matter, we usually try to be more specific with studio plans. And then here's our star grounding diagram. We always leave this as an option for our clients, although we highly recommend it. Essentially with the star grounding, we have our electrical panel here, a dedicated actual circuit. So we have a dedicated circuit right here with your common Romex wire going out to each isolated ground outlet. So these are isolated ground receptacles. You can look those up on Google if you're not familiar with what those are. And then we take a separate ground wire and run that back. They can all go together if you want. And we ideally get that back to a separate isolated ground bus bar, which then ties back into the main ground bar to earth ground for the whole electrical panel. And the idea behind this is that by keeping all these grounds separate from the grounds of the rest of the circuits on the electrical panel, we're keeping that audio power as clean as possible until it connects right at the very end back to the main ground bar into the earth. This has to happen for safety and code reasons, but this part right here you can definitely do if your electrician's up for it.